Hey, let me show you how you can clean USB port on your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So first of all, I can highly recommend you to use something like this SIM ejection tool, but also can use some wooden parts, but I'm actually using this one. It's actually quite easy to get it. And now let's focus on the port. So as you can see, that's how it looks. And what you have to do is just to gently input this thin item into your port and try to swipe to one of the side and try to gently take it off. Just be sure that you are not gonna break anything. So one more time, I'm gonna remind you to do this slowly. There we go. And now let's go a little bit deeper and just swipe up to the left side, to the right side until you just get rid of everything. So let's take a look inside. Yeah, as you can see right now, it looks fine. And that's basically how it looks.